My name is Eric Friedenson, also known as Efdot. I'm an artist and muralist from Brooklyn. I've always been painting and drawing since I was a little kid. My dad would always show me these really cool vintage album covers that I would try to recreate in my sketchbook, and I felt like it was an escape for me. Early on, after finishing design school, I wanted to do big branding work, and then I kind of realized that I was making someone else's art, and I wasn't focusing on what I wanted to do. I just felt like the only other option was to start my own thing. Murals are a great way to get your art out there because your signature is right in the corner. A lot of people will see it. So one mural often leads to the next mural, which leads to the next. Knickerbocker Market opened up right when the pandemic hit. I saw their storefront and it had graffiti tags all over it, and I knew they were just opening up, and I thought they could use some help. I just really wanted to be able to create something for the neighborhood. Working at a large scale can be really intimidating. Once you make that first mark and you get going, it gets a lot easier. I put a lot of care into the details whenever I'm painting anything. With a brush, you're really able to get in and focus on what's that experience if you're looking at the art right up close to it, versus a mural, which you get to enjoy from super far away. A mural is way more than just a painted wall. It's a connection point, it's a conversation starter. A mural can be a symbol for a whole community of people to come together. Made by Efdot, made by you.